The hidden benefits of chia seeds in milk. Most people think chia seeds are just trendy, but mix them with milk and you unlock one of the most powerful health drinks nobody's talking about. Today, I'm going to break down the hidden benefits of chia seeds in milk that most people have never heard about. We're not just talking about fiber and protein. You already know that. I'm talking about benefits for weight loss, hormone balance, gut health, and even better sleep. By the end, you'll see why this tiny little mix deserves a permanent spot in your kitchen. Here's the issue. A lot of people buy chia seeds because they hear they're healthy. They sprinkle them on yogurt, toss them in smoothies, or worse. Let the bag sit in the cupboard. On the flip side, people drink milk every day without realizing it can be turned into a fat-burning, hormone-balancing health drink. What almost no one realizes is that when you combine chia seeds with milk, you're unlocking a nutritional powerhouse that can help solve some of the biggest struggles people deal with: slow weight loss, stubborn belly fat, sugar cravings, poor digestion, and energy crashes. Before we dive in, hit subscribe so you don't miss more hidden health hacks like this. Why chia seeds plus milk is a game changer. Most people think of chia pudding as just a trendy Instagram snack. But here's the truth. When you soak chia seeds in milk, something special happens. The seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in liquid, forming a gel-like coating. This slows down digestion, which keeps you full for hours and prevents blood sugar spikes. Think about this. Instead of eating breakfast and crashing 2 hours later, chia with milk gives you sustained energy that can last well into the afternoon. For people struggling with late-night snacking or mid-morning crashes, this combo can be life-changing. Now, here's the weight loss benefit nobody talks about. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber. This type of fiber expands in your stomach, signaling your brain that you're full. When you pair this with the protein from milk, you're creating one of the most satisfying meals possible without loading up on calories. Let's put numbers to it. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds have about 120 calories, 10 grams of fiber, and 5 grams of protein. Add a cup of milk, and you're looking at a complete mini-meal with about 200 calories but enough satiety power to compete with a 500-calorie breakfast. That's why people who start their day with chia pudding often notice their appetite goes down naturally. They don't have to fight cravings. The hormone balancing effect. Now here's where it gets interesting, especially for women over 40. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and support hormone balance. Combine that with the calcium and vitamin D in milk, and you've got a mix that supports bone health, reduces PMS or menopausal symptoms, and even helps regulate stress hormones like cortisol. One study even showed that women who increased their omega-3 intake noticed better mood stability and fewer hot flashes during menopause. That's not something you'll see on the back of a chia seed package, but it's a hidden benefit that's incredibly powerful. Here's a shocking fact. Chia seeds actually have more calcium per gram than milk. So when you mix them together, you're creating a calcium-rich super drink that supports strong bones and teeth, which is crucial as we age. Better digestion, better gut health. If you've ever struggled with constipation or bloating, chia seeds can help. The gel-like fiber they form when soaked acts like a broom for your digestive system. It moves food through more smoothly, feeds your gut bacteria, and prevents that heavy, sluggish feeling. And when you soak them in milk, they're easier to digest because the liquid softens the seeds and releases nutrients more effectively. Some people eat dry chia seeds and complain of stomach issues. This is why soaking them in milk is the better choice. And if better digestion wasn't enough, here's the benefit almost nobody expects: the sleep connection. This one surprises most people. Chia seeds in warm milk before bed can actually help you sleep better. Why? Because chia is a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce melatonin and serotonin, the hormones that regulate sleep and mood. Combine that with the magnesium in chia and the natural calming effect of warm milk, and you've got a bedtime drink. Imagine swapping out your late-night sugary snack for a warm chia milk. Instead of spiking your blood sugar and tossing and turning, You get deeper sleep and wake up with more energy. The perfect recipe. Alright, here's the best part. How to make this super drink. It's so simple you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup milk, regular, almond or oat all work. A pinch of cinnamon, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Mix it well. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes, or better, overnight. And you've got yourself a creamy, satisfying chia pudding. For a sleep-friendly version, use warm milk and add a touch of nutmeg instead of sweetener. This isn't just a snack. It's a meal, a sleep hack, a weight loss booster, and a gut healer all in one. So here's the bottom line. Chia seeds in milk aren't just a trendy health food. They're a hidden powerhouse that can help you lose weight naturally, balance your hormones, improve digestion, strengthen your bones, and even help you sleep better. The beauty is, it's simple, affordable, and takes 30 seconds a day, yet can transform how your body feels. Sometimes the simplest habits have the biggest impact. A spoonful of chia in a glass of milk could change the way you feel every single day. If you're serious about feeling lighter, sleeping better, and balancing your body, start with this small habit. It really adds up.